Welcome my lovely subscribers and my lovely viewers. Welcome guys, and if you are new here, welcome also. So guys, today I'm going to make callaloo with saltfish. So I'm stripping my callaloo. I started stripping it already. So I'm going to continue stripping my callaloo. As I used to do back home, we used to do it like this. Every Friday, even we have to strip 2 bundles of callaloo for lunch on Saturday. We used to have bread and callaloo on Saturdays. I have one sister that didn't eat callaloo on Saturdays. She always say, "Oh, I don't eat callaloo on Saturdays." So she was something else. Auntie Connie didn't want to eat callaloo on Saturday. Because we always get callaloo every Saturday. Then she will complain, "I don't eat callaloo on Saturdays." But those days were good days. Good days. We know we're gonna get potato pudding. We bake every Friday, and we have callaloo, sometimes with fish, and sometimes just callaloo like that, with the bread and rice. Sometimes we have rice. Not all the time. Sometimes we change it up, but it was good. We used to eat and go back to church. I want you to tell me if you eat callaloo on Saturdays too at church, or you bring callaloo for lunch at church. Send me a comment in the comment section, okay guys? And guys, when you buy your callaloo, you check the leaves for worms. I'm gonna wash it with salt, but I always check the leaves. See if I see anything on it. What's not supposed to be on it. That's why I'm wearing my glasses, so I can see every little thing. So we'll be making saltfish with cabbage. I think I have another video up with just callaloo alone and no fish, but today I'm making saltfish with callaloo. Okay, this is good. Check these leaves. So far I didn't find any worms at all. It was good? Oh, very good, very good. And you can eat it just like that, without nothing. Okay guys, so now I'm finished with my Kallaloo. I'm gonna wash it with some salt water and cut it up. So okay guys, I'm gonna start cutting my Kallaloo. I can't wait to invent a machine to do this, so I can go fast. You can't cut it too fast guys, because you will cut your hand. You have to take your time. Let's call my friend Larry to ask. It's all good, it's all good. So guys, tell me how you do your Kallaloo. I know some people don't call it Kallaloo, they call it a different name. And some people just use the leaf to make soup. I don't know which other country cut it up like how we do it in Jamaica. Most of the people in Jamaica now, they don't even have time to cut the Kallaloo, they buy it cut. People sit down and cut it for them now and sell them. So you know, it's a modern time. But here in Canada, nobody cut it. You have to cut it yourself. Okay, get another hand. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my saltfish to my water. As you can see, I washed it a couple times. So I'm gonna add it, let it cook until I finish cutting up my Kallaloo. I have some more left to cut up. Not much. It's almost finished. So I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna throw off the water and let it boil up again. Okay guys? So I'm gonna finish cutting my Kallaloo now. I'm gonna wash my hand again and finish cutting my Kallaloo. So okay guys, this is my last of my Kallaloo cutting up. After I finish this, I'm gonna throw off the water of my saltfish and put fresh water again, and then I season my Kallaloo. So guys, I'm gonna throw off the water of the saltfish. As you can see, I'm gonna throw it out and fresh one now. Okay guys, I'm gonna start seasoning my Kallaloo. I'm gonna add a dash of black pepper, a little of flavor rice, just a little dash of it, not too much. My all-purpose seasoning, Maggi. And a little mustache. Much. I'm gonna get my garlic plus. And add a little garlic plus. Cut my garlic and put inside this. I make 2 head of garlic, so I'm gonna put them inside. I'm gonna add 1 tomato, and on my cutting board here I have my bell peppers, my green onions, and my onion. So I'm adding everything to my Kallaloo, and I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside, and I'm gonna take care of my saltfish, and I'm gonna cook 2 dumplings to eat with this. So I'm gonna set this aside and take care of the other rest of stuff. I'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm adding some coconut oil. Just a little bit. I don't like to do it like this though. Put it back over here. I like when the oil is hard. And I'm gonna add a little olive oil. I'm mixing 2 oil together. Okay. As soon as it heats up a little bit more, I'm gonna add my Kallaloo. And in a minute or 2, I add my saltfish. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, I'm adding my Kallaloo. You can hear the little syrup.
Kallaloo season is back.
It's summertime, guys, so I have to eat a lot of this. In the winter, you don't get Kallaloo here. Only in the summer we see it here.
You must buy the one in the can.
No, I don't buy the can ones. No. I buy one and it was so mushy. No. That's why I didn't cook any Kallaloo before. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna cover it with the steam on a little bit, and I'm gonna get my saltfish ready. So okay, guys, this is my first stirring. Didn't let out enough water yet. Hopefully, when I cover it next time. So okay, guys, I'm adding my saltfish. This saltfish was $17 something. Because it's fillet. Yeah. Because it's fillet, it's expensive. Nothing is cheap anymore anyway. Nothing is cheap anymore, guys. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, and I'll show you the finished product. I'm cooking my dumpling over here to eat with my saltfish and Kallaloo. start over here. Okay guys, so see my dumpling is almost finished. My Kallaloo is finished. I put it aside. So I'm just cooking my dumpling to share you and show you the finished product of my Kallaloo and cornmeal dumpling. Okay guys, so stay tuned guys and give me 5 more minutes. Show them the Kallaloo is here already. The dumpling is over here. Guys, my dumpling is finished cooking. I'm gonna share a plate and show you the finished product guys. So I'm gonna put 2 dumpling over here. Share some Callaloo. And guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And tell me where you're watching from guys, so I could give you a shout out in my next video. This is enough for you, sweetheart? This is okay? Yeah? So this is the finished product of my Kallaloo and dumpling guys. So remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and tell me where you're watching from guys. God bless you and see you guys in our next video. Ciao. Bye bye.